All right, on our initial white belt challenge, let us begin by listening to what we should be playing. Okay, so we're going to be asked to be playing B on the recorder. Now, on the recorder, what we want to take a look at is on the front side, we've got a whole lot of dots on the front side. That'll be the side away from you. And on the back side, we have a single dot, a hole in the back. The single dot in the hole in the back we'll cover with our thumb. The top hole we'll cover with our first finger. And this right here is letter B. It sounds like this. Try to make the sound. Okay, now stop. Now, if there were any troubles, just make sure that you recover the holes correctly all the way with the thumb and with the top finger, first finger. And also make sure to play very gently when you play this. Doesn't take much air at all. Okay, let's listen again, and this time let's sing the letter B's. B, 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 B. Okay, let's do that again. B, 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 B. Okay, and now this time let's play it on the recorder. Okay. Okay, let's do that same thing 2 more times. Okay, and last time.